A whiskey smash is proof that simple ingredients, handled right, can taste absolutely extraordinary. Let's make one. Take half a lemon and cut it into wedges. Bright, juicy, essential to this drink. Drop the lemon wedges in, then 4 fresh mint leaves. Muddle gently, just enough to release the juice and the oils. Pour in 30 milliliters of simple syrup. It softens everything, balancing the citrus and mint. Now, 60 milliliters of whiskey, rich, warm, the backbone of this entire cocktail. Fill the shaker with ice. Nice and full. Seal it tight and shake well. You want it properly chilled. Pack your glass with fresh ice right to the top. Strain the whiskey, smash over the ice. Watch it settle in beautifully. If you're enjoying this one, go ahead and like and subscribe. Finish with a lemon slice and a few extra mint leaves on top. The whiskey smash. Bold, refreshing, and effortlessly elegant. Exactly how a classic should feel.